Hi guys, I'm going to show you a very quick green chutney to go with anything Indian, including the curry that I have made earlier today. This is from my friend Shaheen Hughes. I went to Bombay with her many years ago on a foodie trip and it was really fantastic, and this is an amazing recipe. It's literally throw it in, blend it and serve it. So we've got some sugar here, not much, a little bit, a couple of teaspoons, some desiccated, this is shredded coconut, a big bunch of coriander with the stalks and everything, 2 green chilies, the juice of a lemon, and 150 grams of coconut cream. And also I am going to put salt in. I don't know if that's in the recipe, but it is now. And then we're blending until we're happy with the consistency. So it is up to you. I like it nice and smooth, but if you like it a bit chunkier, then you don't go as long. So I'm going to go up to speed 10. So that was 20 seconds. Look at the colour. It's so pretty. I'm just going to test it. It's still quite coconutty. It's really good. I'm going to just go a little bit longer though. I want it a little bit smoother. But that's entirely up to you. So we'll go again, up to 10. And I think that should do. And we're going to serve this with our curry that we made. Look at that colour. I just love that colour. Sort of like beautiful avocado. So sometimes you go to Indian restaurants and they'll serve this or a version of this, and I always have to ask for more. So this makes a lot, which is about how much you need in my opinion. If you've got some naan bread, some fresh naan bread ready to go, dip, some fresh poppadoms, this is like heaven.